About this item: size 16.3 centimeters, and 17 centimeters, color black, package quantity 2 pairs, material plastic and metal. Features: Balun HD Cat5 female to BNC male video balloons and DC 5.5 x 2.1 mm female/male jack adapter, cable, video and power transmission via UTP Cat5 cable. A maximum distance length, CVI/AHD/TVI, 720p 960p 250/820 feet, max, 1080p 3MP 4MP 5MP 8MP 200m/656 feet, max, B. Maximum distance length, CVBS/analog, 960h 300m/1,000 feet. Super extensive applications, support all video devices, such as camera, monitor, DVR card and recorder etc. compatible with all digital CVI, TVI and AHD cameras. Note: power voltage drop calculations, 412V DC 1 amp, cable distance should not exceed 90 feet/27 meters. For longer distances, please use 14V DC, 16V DC, 18V DC, 20-48V DC. Note: RJ45 video balloon is not waterproof. For indoor use only. Make sure the RJ45 for camera side and DVR side are the same standards. Wrongfully mixing the colors may result in burning the camera and devices. Power and video balloon nickel plating. BNC is provided with better transmission quality and long distance HD transmitter. Note: this product is without the